Hi everyone. As you can see, I went out today and I'm out of hand sanitizer. So I said, let me just make my own. So it's Herbalist Viola coming to you from Very Wise Alternatives, just showing you how to make or how I make homemade hand sanitizer. Um, you will definitely need some alcohol. You see, I have the 99.5% rubbing alcohol. Um, I'm doing two ways. You can actually do it straight. You can actually just take some rubbing alcohol and I'm gonna just pour it in here, or I can pour it into my bottle. I can pour it right into my bottle with no problem. Just pouring it in because they tell you, rule of thumb, you need at least 60% rubbing alcohol. And rubbing alcohol, when you put it on, it does dry your hand out. So you see I'm making a mess, but I have my towel here to catch it all. But you could just take rubbing alcohol and you can actually just spray it on your hands. Spray it on your hands just like that. And they say it takes 20 seconds. So you just sing 1001, 1002, 1000, well, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 seconds. You need 20 seconds to kill all those little germs and bugs off your hand. This is just one way. You can do it straight, but for those who don't like it straight, because look, after you do it straight, you can actually get a little, if you got like a bottle of water, you just pour some bottled water and rinse it off. Me, I don't mind. I want to kill the germs, so I really don't mind using straight alcohol. But another way you can do it is you can take aloe vera, just the aloe vera gel. You can see it right here. I'm not promoting the name, I'm just showing you can use aloe vera. So you take some aloe vera and you just put a little bit in the bottom. You don't really need a lot, just some aloe vera. And you just take your rubbing alcohol, pour it in there. You know, I like a little bit more to stretch it. And you just mix it right on up. Mix it right on up. Yeah, just keep mixing. And we just keep mixing because you see how it all clumps. So you just mix the aloe vera up. And then once you get it all mixed up, it takes a little while. Aloe vera is no joke. So you just mix it, mix it, mix it. While you're mixing it, you can actually take your, I love the way lavender smells. So you can just take some little essential oil and add just a little essential oil. I want to just do 2 drops of essential oil. If it'll come out. It's real stubborn. Come on. 1, 2. I just did 2. This is actually lavender with coconut milk. Smells wonderful. You know, some people want extra. So me, I just want a little extra. And I just mix it up real well. Just keep mixing it, which is not bad. And there you have homemade hand sanitizer. It's taking a little longer. But anyway, you mix it up. You see how you're mixing it? Real easy. You take the dropper out, put it to the side, and there you have homemade hand sanitizer. You just put it in your bottle. I have my spray bottle right here. And again, you just pour it right into your spray bottle without making a little mess. Let's see if I can do this, you guys. Here we go. There we go. It's going in there. And there you have the way I make hand sanitizer. And it saves you some money because you saw I didn't put that much in there. You just even it out and you just put it in. And there you have hand sanitizer. You spray your hand. Spray your hand real well. Oh, and it smells wonderful, you guys. Yeah, you spray it on, you rub it on, and there you have your hand sanitizer. Get in your nails, get all in your hands, all in between. And there you have hand sanitizer. Actually feels pretty good. Nice and oil, smells wonderful. I know you can't smell it, but lavender. It's lavender and coconut milk, so you know, smells real good. Yes, I love it. I like the lavender, but I wanted to try the coconut milk just to see how it is. And there you have it, homemade hand sanitizer. And all I had used was the rubbing alcohol, the 99.5%. Yes, I I went strong on you guys. Yes, I ordered it through Amazon. Not so bad. You got the aloe, you got the rubbing alcohol. You have the aloe vera, the gel, and then I add a little bit of essential oil just to make it smell good. Like I said, you can do plain rubbing alcohol if you want. Once it dries, you can put a little water if you want. If not, you just follow it with some lotion. Just make sure you check the lotion. You don't want that to be too strong, but if it's your hands are dry, you use lotion. But we don't know what times are up. We don't know how fast stores are stocking up, but it seems like stuff is stocking, running out so fast. So here you got plain alcohol, and here you have a mixture with the aloe vera and the alcohol, and I add essential oil, just 2 drops, and there you have it. Just something simple, real easy, just something you can use, easy to do. It's really not that bad. So just showing you some homemade hand sanitizer. You guys have a great day. Bye.